Hey folks, a mild night across the valley. Temperatures holding in the mid-70s across the area. We'll probably hit the upper 60s in a few places, but that's about it. These are the currents. 74 in Port Isabel right now, 73 in Brownsville, 72 to 75 across the entire area. These are the forecast lows. Again, we're going upper 60s every place but at the beach, with patchy fog showing up again like last night, the night before. We'll probably see it at least in spots. And then tomorrow, we're warming back up in the 80s, but we're throwing a couple of light showers into the forecast. Nothing big, nothing widespread, probably not more than 1/10 of an inch any place, but at least one or two places could pick up a brief shower during the daytime tomorrow, with temperatures warming back in the 80s. The next 3 days, the average high is 80 degrees for this time of year. We'll be well above that, but if this had a fourth day in it, we would see a change. It's why the average is what it is, 86, 89, and 88, but Sunday will be noticeably cooler. Satellite across the region shows not a whole lot happening today. Skies cleared out nicely, just patchy clouds tonight, and Future Track says fog is the issue overnight. Then during the daytime tomorrow, notice it picks up on spotty showers, especially during the afternoon. Nothing big, but just an influx of moisture across the region because of a front that's dying to the north, but it's pulling moisture in, maybe enough to trigger those isolated showers. Again, if you get 1/10 of an inch of rain, you'll be one of the lucky ones. Most places will see very little or nothing, or not even anything measurable. Friday, though, that moisture moves back out. We're back to partly to mostly sunny skies again, and temperatures are hot once again. In the meantime, here's your rain chance. Tomorrow, only about 10%. We're dry Friday, and then Saturday, late in the day, we've got a 20% chance in there. We're talking Saturday evening as the next front moves into the region. It might trigger a shower or two. Here's a look at the rest of Texas tonight. 58 in Abilene, 66 in Dallas. Austin is 67. A few clouds moving into West Texas and the Panhandle right now, but let's put the fronts on here. There's one in Texas as we speak. That gets a little closer, pulls moisture in tomorrow, gives us that slight rain chance, but then it falls apart. So that's the end of that. No cooling from that. Friday, a very warm day, but look to the northwest. There's another front. This front will push southward across Texas on Saturday. Probably won't be here until Saturday evening, so we've got a very warm day. Front pushes through Saturday evening, could trigger a couple of showers. Clouds linger into Sunday morning, but now it looks like by Sunday afternoon we may clear back out. High temperatures, though, instead of being in the 80s, will only be around 70 or so on Sunday. So for tonight, partly cloudy, some fog shows up later on, 67 for a low. Then tomorrow, cloudy at times with an isolated shower. Nothing big, 86 for a high. The next 7 days, we keep temperatures in the 80s for 3 days. In fact, we're near 90, near record levels Friday and Saturday. But then late Saturday, that front comes in, could trigger a shower or two, and then it turns much cooler on Sunday. I think Sunday starts with clouds but ends with sunshine, at least a little bit by the end of the day, but still only 70, 72 for a high. We start to warm back up by Wednesday. And by the time we get to Wednesday, the model's really at odds about what's going to happen, because one model says a good push of cool air middle of the week. Another model says it's not going to happen. So I think right now we're leaning toward that push of cool air around Wednesday with maybe a couple of showers, but it's still early. Give us another day or two to really figure that out. We're talking 7, 8, 9 days down the road. So we'll see how that's going to pan out, but no promises yet.
Okay, well, we can hope.
You can hope, sure, but no promises yet for the Thanksgiving holiday, one way or another. It's a tough forecast right now.
Right.
Next 5, 6 days, pretty easy, but starting at day 7, gets a little complicated.
All right.
We'll keep an eye on it.
Okay, thanks so much, Tim. And Joelle will be back with sports. Stay with us.